You work hard, you try to save, you have good intentions, but somehow at the end of every month the money is gone and you are back to zero. Today, I want to have an honest conversation about the real reason this keeps happening. And it has nothing to do with how hard you work or how much you earn. Welcome back to African Wealth Code, where we teach everyday Africans how to build real wealth from nothing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos every Friday. Most people carry their financial plan in their head, a rough idea of what they earn and what they owe, but a plan that lives only in your head is not a plan, it is a wish. Wealthy people write everything down: their income, their expenses, their savings targets, their investment goals. Writing creates clarity, and clarity creates action. Take 30 minutes this week and write down your complete financial picture. What comes in, what goes out, what remains, what you want to build. That document becomes your roadmap. Without it, you're driving in the dark with no headlights. Your environment is quietly programming your financial future every single day. The conversations you have, the people you spend time with, the content you consume, all of it is either expanding or shrinking what you believe is possible for your life. If everyone around you talks about lack, complains about money, and has no financial ambition, that energy becomes your normal. You start accepting limitation as reality. Deliberately seek out people who are building something. Listen to content that expands your thinking. Read about people who came from nothing and built something real. Your environment is either your greatest asset or your greatest liability. But one of the most painful patterns I see among Africans trying to build wealth is this. They start something, face difficulty, stop, then start something completely different. Face difficulty again, and stop again. Every time you start over, you lose everything you built, no? The momentum, the lessons, the relationships, the reputation. Starting over feels like progress, but it is actually the most expensive habit you can have. The path to wealth is rarely exciting or glamorous. It is mostly boring, repetitive, difficult work on the same thing over a long period of time. The people who succeed are not the most talented. They are the most consistent. There is a trap that catches many young Africans spending money to look like the success they have not yet built. New phones, designer clothes, expensive outings, social media appearances that cost money you do not have. Every seed I spent performing success is a CD stolen from actually building it. The most dangerous thing about this trap is that it feels good. It generates likes, attention, and temporary validation while quietly destroying your financial foundation. Real success does not need an audience. Build in silence. Let the results speak eventually. The people who are genuinely wealthy rarely feel the need to prove it to anyone. Most people want to be wealthy in a vague, general way. They want more money, they want a better life, they want things to improve, but vague goals produce vague results. Wealthy people are specific. They know exactly how much they want to save by a specific date. They know exactly which business they are building and what revenue they are targeting. They know exactly which asset they are acquiring next. Specificity creates focus. Focus creates action. Action creates results. Write down one clear financial goal with a deadline. Work backwards from that goal to what you need to do today. That single shift will change how you move every day. 5 reasons, all of them honest, all of them fixable starting today. Write your financial plan. Change your environment. Stop starting over. Stop performing success and get specific about exactly what you are building. None of these require money to implement. They only require honesty and decision. Share this with someone who needs to hear the truth today. Subscribe to African Wealth Code for more every Friday. And remember, wealth is not luck. It is a code. And today you just learned another piece of it. See you next Friday.